Good morning, Ashton here at Lancaster Honda. I'm the internet specialist here. We're a part of Cox Motor Group here in the northwest of England. I'll be showing you this lovely Civic EX 1.5 petrol manual gearbox in a stunning metallic silver color. To start off with, we got these LED headlights, they're automatic as well, LED fog lights. Got front and rear parking sensors. Really tidy car. Got 17-inch diamond cut alloys. Start off with, we got keyless entry. Second alloy there. For the rear parking sensors along with the reverse camera. Space on this car. Really lovely boot space. You do have your spare wheel along with the tire toolkits. Third alloy there. Got this leather interior along with heated seats for the rear passengers. All four automatic windows. You have these Civic emblems on the sides, on the side. They do light up as well. I'll jump in and show you what's the mileage on the car. You have this blind spot detection monitor. You have some buttons for the wing mirrors and all four electric windows. You have a button you can open your boot with from the driver's side. Start stop button, parking sensors down here, along with vehicle stability control, lane departure assist, and the washer and mitigation as well. Multi-function steering wheel. You have these lovely leather seats. They're heated as well. The car's done 28,467 miles. As you can see, automatic headlights, auto wipers, lane keep assist along with adaptive cruise control. Here we have your audio here along with DAB and Bluetooth as well. Heated seats for driver and passenger. You have your wireless phone charger, 6-phase manual, electric handbrake along with auto on and off and eco mode. You have a reverse camera which I'll show you in a second. You also add sat nav as standard on this car. Alright, the car's here with us. You get minimum 9 months of MOT and service. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our future videos. Alright, thanks for watching.